Welcome to my review of these wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They're available on Amazon. I think they were about 20 bucks, so I found that they're really good value. Comes in a nice clean box. Comes with a rechargeable case and micro USB cable so you can charge on the go. They come in a magnetic case so they won't fall out if you turn your case upside down. And when you take them out, they automatically start pairing. So all you have to do is go into the Bluetooth function on your device and find a device called S8. I also found that these are really nice because they come with 6 different sizes of earbuds so that you can change the size and comfort based on your preference. They're also noise canceling, and they come with the instructions with all the hands-free instructions to answer the phone, change the song, play and pause, and to turn them off and charge them, you just put them right back in the case and they're ready to go. They fit in the palm of your hand, and for $20 they are a much better value and a much better sound than the original Apple headphones that would go with my device.